So coming back from a well-earned vacation, if I can say so myself, to catch the Reggae Boyz in the middle of CONCACAF Nations League battle. Honduras on Friday gone and Haiti tomorrow. And it don't make no sense, we beat round the bush. The uncomfortable fact of the matter is that we're still not getting this midfield problem fixed. We scrap and scrape out a result against Honduras. One of them ugly wins that people claim is better than a pretty defeat. The Jamaican midfield, the engine room, the pivot of the team is dysfunctional, unable to do simple things like passing, moving into space, keeping possession, basic fundamentals of football. And this has been a persistent problem. It doesn't matter how many talented individual players we have playing in the EPL and the leagues around the world. If we don't fix those midfield fundamentals, we're going to struggle. But one of the good things about back-to-back games is that they provide a quick opportunity for redemption. Yes. So that is the mission against Haiti tomorrow night in the stadium. Jamaica to get some redemption against Haiti. Let's go!